Jamaica
Tink
watch
Forest.
this.
Easy. Listen
But know
this.
me love beat up the man them, you know, and cuss them how they mean. But me actually say, moving to America and realizing how things really are over here. To be honest, if you have one man in a foreign here right now in a foreign with you, and the man I meet you halfway, ladies, cherish him. Cherish him and give thanks. And if you give 50, like, put up in your ear and you bless and you prove it, and you say God making fruit basket never go empty. Make this multiply. Because foreign hard. Foreign hard. Whereas if you and the man that live together, remember say the man got have his own rent for pay, his own light, his own water, his own internet. The man might have all 1 tree picnic out there, my fear mine. Plus the man might still have all his mother where might take care of. So in a foreign here, me come learn. So I don't mean the man they mean because they used to always, my friend used to call me there Jamaica and say oh, foreign man meaning. And I mean the man them a foreign meaning now. Foreign hard. Foreign hard. So right if you have a man a foreign and give $100 and give $200, give God thanks and say thank you Jesus. No make nobody tell you about girl you idiot. Oh man if you give more than that, not in a foreign. In a Jamaica me understand. Cause Jamaican man get. But I don't like Jamaica one man would take you past the alright, I'm gonna pay all of your bills them and take care of you. Foreign hard bad. I feel the fee man them a foreign. I mean we have pity upon the foreign man them because foreign hard and bills hard over here. So if you have a man a foreign and the man a help you and a meet you halfway, give God thanks and pray over it and bless it and say God multiply it and make him fruit basket never go